In this video, we are going to see about read access policy in AWS. So I'm going to create a read access policy for S3 buckets in AWS. So this is my AWS console. So this is a home page. And here I'm going to search for IAM. So IAM, Identity and Access Management. So you have to select this one. So once I click on this, again, I will get a new tab. So in this tab, in left side, you can find policies. So just click on this policies. And once you click on this policies, so these are some default policies that is available in the AWS. And I want to create a new policy. So I'm clicking on this create policy. And once I click on this create policy, so this is what the policy editor is. And I'm going to click on this JSON. So in this JSON, so it will show you the default version. This is the default version. In the statement, SID is something, you can give some name here, like you can give anything here. For simplicity, I'm giving S3 read access because I'm going to create a read access for the S3 packets. And then effect, I'm going to leave it as allow because I want to allow all the actions that I'm specifying below. So inside the action, I have to give something that is inside the double quotes S3 for my S3 buckets. I want to give the permission for get the objects. So read access in the sense, we have to get the objects from the S3 buckets. For that, I'm giving get object. So the user can able to get the objects from the S3 buckets. And also I'm going to give one more permission. That is listing the objects in the bucket. So list bucket, this action allows to list the objects in the bucket by the users. And after that, I have to give the resource. So resource means I have to copy the ARN of a S3 bucket. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the S3 buckets. So we have few S3 buckets that is already created. And this demo bucket is what created by me. So I'm going to open this to copy the ARN. Okay. So go to the permissions or properties. Yeah, go to the properties. You can find the Amazon resource name, that is ARN, and you have to copy this ARN to attach it with the policy. So I'm copying this by clicking here and bucket ARN copied. Then I'm coming back to the policy. And after that, I'm going to create a double quote, and inside that, I'm going to paste the ARN. Okay. Once you paste the ARN is pasted. And after that, you have to do it one more time. And after that, I'm giving a slash, then asterisk. This asterisk is responsible for giving the access for the specified access. So specified actions. So what are the specified actions? Getting the object and listing the buckets, listing the elements in the bucket. These are the two actions that I have specified. And this asterisk is responsible for giving permissions for those actions that I have specified above. Okay. Once it is done, everything is done. And after that, we have to give next. Okay. I'm giving next. And after that, we have to create a policy name. So I'm giving policy name. So this is S3 read access policy. Okay. So I'm giving S3 read access policy for simplicity. And description, it's optional one. If you want to give, you can give. I'm skipping description. And after that, so coming back here, it is going to show you the access level. So we have read access and then we have listing access. We have two access. One is for reading and another one is for listing. These are the two access we have. So the permissions is listed here. And after that, that's it. You can click on the create policy. So policy S3 read access policy is created. Okay, the policy is created now. So you can search here for your policy. So S3 read access policy. You can clearly see this is what the policy we have created. This is a read access policy. We attached a bucket, S3 bucket for this policy. So if you attach a user to this policy, they can able to do only the reading of the objects in your S3 buckets. Thank you, everyone.